Think you're doing jumping jacks right? Here's the truth. 7 out of 10 people are actually hurting their joints every time they do them. What if I told you this simple warm-up move could either boost your stamina or wreck your knees, depending on one tiny mistake? Most of us learn jumping jacks as kids, and we think, come on, it's easy, just jump and move your arms. But here's the catch. Doing them the wrong way trains your body to move out of alignment. That means instead of energizing your muscles and improving coordination, you're putting stress on your ankles, knees, and shoulders. So today, I'm going to break down exactly how to fix your jumping jacks and step by step, so you can burn more calories, build endurance, and protect your body while you do it. But first, let's see what people are doing wrong. The arms just swing aimlessly, sometimes halfway up, sometimes not even straight. Every incomplete rep means your shoulders aren't fully engaging, and you're wasting energy instead of building strength. Notice how some people bounce side to side. That happens when the core isn't tight. Your abs should be your stabilizers, not passengers. Without that core control, the movement gets sloppy and your balance suffers. Heavy landing. Hear that thud? That's your knees crying for help. Jumping jacks should be light and springy, not loud and punishing. If your heels slam the ground, you're absorbing shock in your joints instead of your muscles. Bent wrists and stiff shoulders. Ever notice people flapping their arms like penguins? That's what happens when your wrists lead the motion instead of your shoulders. You want a smooth arc, not a jittery flap. Light bulb moment. Every jumping jack mistake has one root cause: lack of control. You're moving fast, but you're not moving smart. So what's the secret to doing them right? It's not jumping higher or moving faster. It's about alignment and rhythm. Think of your body like a spring. Every joint should load and release energy together. When that rhythm syncs up, jumping jacks stop being a warm-up and start becoming a power move. Stand tall, feet together, arms by your sides. Engage your core. Imagine pulling your belly button gently toward your spine. This keeps your lower back protected. Slight bend in the knees, not locked, not loose. Ready to spring. Now jump your feet out to shoulder width. Land softly, on the balls of your feet, not your heels. As you land, your knees should bend slightly to absorb the shock. Think of landing like a cat, not like a sack of potatoes. Arms move in a full range of motion, smooth, not rushed. Raise them up and slightly above your head, palms almost touching. Then bring them back down to your sides as you jump back in. Keep your shoulders relaxed, not shrugged up toward your ears. Here's your hidden powerhouse in the core. Imagine your abs as the foundation of a skyscraper. If that foundation wobbles, the entire structure collapses. So keep your torso stable. Every jump should feel controlled from the center out. Once you've nailed the basics, let's level it up. A tempo control. Try slowing down your reps. Slow, that's stronger. You'll feel your core firing harder. Power jacks. Instead of regular jumps, add a deeper squat when your feet go out. This turns jumping jacks into a leg and glute workout. Or plank jacks. Take it to the floor. In plank position, jump your feet out and in. Core on fire, cardio through the roof. These variations train stability, strength, and coordination, all from one humble move. Wrong form looks noisy, rushed, and unbalanced. Right form looks smooth, light, and controlled. You're not fighting your body, you're flowing with it. All right, now it's your turn. Stand up, reset your posture, and try 10 perfect jumping jacks right now. Feel the difference. Less joint impact, more rhythm, better energy. That's the power of doing it right. Remember, fitness isn't about doing more, it's about doing better. Small corrections build strong habits. Strong habits build great results. So if you learned something today, hit that like button, drop a yayos in the comments, and subscribe for more real form fitness guides every week. Let's move smarter, not just harder.